Alright guys, today we're going to be putting a new pull rope into a Stihl BR450 backpack blower. This is the same as a BR430, etc., etc. The guy, nobody ever brings the handle with them, so that's, I'll be replacing that. I'll put in the description the rope with the handle. I'll be using a used handle. I got one sitting right here, probably used. And I buy the rope by the roll, but I'll put the rope in the description below for you with the handle that goes to a Stihl. Just click the link. Alright, just take the 3 Torque 25 star end bolts. This is a Stihl tool. I'll put it in the description below. Just click the link. I actually got to buy a new one of these. Mine's starting to get rounded off. Using grip. Torque 25 or Torque 27. Torque 27. I'm sorry. 3 of them. Take them out. Just pull straight out like that. Then we're going to remove the old rope. Heat the end of the rope a little bit so you can pull it to a point. Like that. Makes it easier to get into this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the rope through here, and then we're going to line up this little hole here with this rope and stick it through it. Just pull it all the way out like that. Now we're going to tie a simple knot in the end of this. We're going to pull all the extra rope out, and we're going to get this knot shoved right down in there. We're going to use a screwdriver, or I use a star tool, whatever. We're going to shove this knot right down in there like that, nice and shoved in there. I'm going to pull this rope out, loop like this, and then we're going to grab this end, put it in the notch that's in this spool, and go counterclockwise 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to pull it out of that, and we're going to slowly work it. It'll just pull it back through. Just keep it in that spool the whole time. And we'll go all the way back. And then we got more spool left in there. So we'll wrap it one more time, see what it does. One. See where it sits. Starting to sit on top of the spool now. So that should be plenty of rope. We're going to cut the line right here. Don't let it fall back through there. You see it trying to go through. We're going to heat the end of it. Melt it to a point. Like that. Then we're going to shove it through the handle. Like that. And then we're going to tie a simple knot in the end. And then we're going to pull it into the handle and get it shoved into that hole really well. Like that. That should be good. Good and tight. Put it back in. And 3 bolts. Tighten them down. Torque 27. That's it, guys. Ready to go. This guy, I don't know how he's starting. There's no choke. Primer ball's ripped wide open. But all he wanted was the pull rope. So that's what I did. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, show a little support. I'll put all the parts in the description. I think I can get the whole recoil even. I think they're pretty cheap. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.